Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all better put on your running shoes because we have some amazing grocery deals going on at Walgreens today only. And I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and make sure that you turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. All right, now, if you haven't heard, we have some crazy things going on at Walgreens this week. I've already put up 2 videos talking about it, so if you've missed out on either one of those, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, before we get into the deals today, I do need to talk to you all for just a quick second about yesterday's video. So in yesterday's video, I showed you guys a quick and easy pickup order deal that y'all could do, and it turned out to be an $8 moneymaker. Now, with those 2 deals that I showed you all in yesterday's video, we had the Oral-B toothbrush deal. On that one, I do want to mention that you can also pick up Crest toothpaste, or you can mix and match. Just make sure that those are the Crest and Oral-B products that are on sale for $3 each. And I do believe we have digital coupons on both the Crest toothpaste and the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now, you guys can do this deal all week long, and it turns out to be completely free. Plus, you're going to get 25% back for that everyday Walgreens booster. Now, the same thing goes for the Dove body wash deal. You can pick up the men's or the women's, or you can mix and match with that digital coupon. If you have the insert coupons, I believe you have to pick up one of each, but you can do this deal all week long. It turns out to be $3 for 2, but since you're getting back that 25% Walgreens cash back for that booster, the everyday booster that we have on our accounts, it turns out to be basically free. So you guys can do those 2 deals all week long, or you can include them in a scenario. Now, again, if you put these in as a pickup order, you're going to get $4 in Walgreens cash back on each of them. So a total of $8 in Walgreens cash if you do both deals together. If you do these deals in store, it should print out a $4 register reward for you at the register. And on both of these deals from here on out, if you're just using that 25% Walgreens cashback digital booster, you should be able to use Walgreens Cash to Pay and still get back your register reward and your 25% in Walgreens Cash. Hopefully, I cleared that up. I know there was a little bit of confusion yesterday, and then I thought I really didn't explain that very well. But basically, both of these individual deals are buy deals. They're not spend deals, so we can use Walgreens Cash on these deals and still get our rewards back. Now, I don't want you guys to think in yesterday's video that I was lying or telling you guys the wrong information on purpose or anything like that. I was just sharing with you all what worked for me and how the scenario worked out. Honestly, I think everybody was a little bit confused yesterday on how these boosters were working, how they were working with percentage off, IVCs, all kinds of stuff. So it was a little bit confusing yesterday, but we got through it, and now we are on to today's deals. Now, I wanted to go ahead and tell you all that because if you do go into the store today and do the deals that I'm going to show you all, you can get a little bit of a lower out-of-pocket if you use register rewards. If you go in and you do the Oral-B and the Dove deals, you're going to have $8 worth of register rewards, and you can use those on this deal that I'm going to show you all in this video, and you can lower your out-of-pocket. Hopefully that makes sense to everybody. But again, if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments section. There's a lot of really awesome couponers who also will answer questions down in the comment section with me as well. So I'm going to try to keep a close eye on that today. But Walgreens is just a little bit more complicated than Dollar General. So I try to make it as easy and simple as possible over here. Now, let's go ahead and talk about today's deal. So we have this digital booster. It is earned $10 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $20 in a grocery, snack, or beverage. And then don't forget, we have this digital booster for earn 25% in Walgreens cash rewards on all purchases this week. And this is going to stack and work with that grocery booster. All right. So in total, we are going to get 75% of our money back in Walgreens cash today on groceries. Now, you guys can mix and match however you would like, but I wanted to go ahead and share with you all of the sales that are going on grocery items at Walgreens. So first up, we have soft drinks on sale, 3 for $13.99. Then we also have the Pepsi 12 packs. They're buy 2, get 1 for free. We also have a couple of chip deals. We have the Lay's potato chips. They're on sale, 2 for $6. And then we also have the Doritos on sale, 2 for $8. Next up, we have Pringles on sale, buy 1, get 1 for free. So you're going to pay $3.49 for 2. Next up, we have the Kellogg's cereals, Pop-Tarts, or the Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks. Those are also on sale, buy 1, get 1 for free. So if you wanted to pick up the Pop-Tarts, they are priced at $4.49. So you're going to pay $4.49 for 2. Now, I also want to go ahead and mention that right now on Ibotta, we do have quite a few rebates on cereals and the Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks. So make sure that you guys check out your Ibotta accounts as well. If you are not already signed up for Ibotta, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. Unfortunately, I do need to update this slide. They have done away with the $20 welcome bonus. I believe that it is now $10, but either way, if you sign up, you're going to get some sort of a bonus for using my referral code. All right, next up, we have Lindsay olives. Those are also on sale, buy 1, get 1 free. We also have the Bumblebee Chunk Light Tuna or the sardines. They are on sale, 3 for $3. And then we also have the Bumblebee Snack on the Run Tuna or Chicken Salad. Those are on sale, 3 for $5. We have the Nice Trail Mix Deal of the Week. These are on sale for $1.78. And then we also have some of the Nice brand 16-ounce nuts. Those are on sale, 2 for $5. Next up, we have the Ballpark Beef Franks. Those are on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off. Next up, we have the Oscar Mayer hot dogs. Those are also on sale, buy 1, get 1 for free. So you're going to pay $4 for 2. Then we have the Keebler Club crackers. Those are also buy 1, get 1 free. Another hot ticket item for this week, we have the Cheez-It crackers. Now these are on sale, 2 for $3.99, and they are buy 1, get 1 free. So you're going to pay $1.99 for 2 boxes. We also have the combos on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off, so you're going to pay $3 for 2. And then we have the Nice brand pizzas. Those are on sale, 2 for $12. And we also have the Nice brand 24 packs of waters. Those are on sale, 2 for $7. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of transactions that I already put in for this morning. Now, I did do these as a pickup order. Remember what I said at the beginning? If you want to go in store and do these deals, you can do those register reward deals first and then use those register rewards on this transaction to lower your out-of-pocket. Now, for myself, I know that the Catalina machine was down on Saturday at my store, and I only have one in my area. So I knew that I was already limited, and I knew that things like the Cheez-Its and the Keebler crackers, those things were going to go fast. So I went ahead and put in my pickup order this morning. That way I knew I could at least get in on some deals. Now, once I get to the store, I am going to try out a few register reward deals just to see if the Catalina machine is back up and running. And then I'll probably do a couple more grocery deals depending on what they have on the shelves. But like I said, I didn't want to miss out on these deals, and I didn't mind to pay the $20 out of pocket since I'm getting 75% of that back in Walgreens cash anyway. Now, for my first transaction, I actually had to put this in as a pickup order at a different store that's about 45 minutes away from me, near my parents' house, because my store was already out of the Cheez-Its. So I picked up a total of 6 boxes of the Cheez-Its. Like I said, this is going to be a hot ticket item this week. I also threw in 2 packs of the Oscar Mayer hot dogs. And then 4 of the Pringles on sale, buy 1, get 1 for free. So I got 2 of the original and 2 of the cheddar cheese. And then I also threw in another buy 1, get 1 free deal with the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. So that put my subtotal at $23.45 plus tax. Now, taxes are going to be different for everybody. And like I said, if you do this deal in store, you can use register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket. I went ahead and paid the $23.45 out-of-pocket. But like I said, I didn't mind because we're getting back 25% in Walgreens cash for the Everyday Booster. And we're also getting back $10 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $20 in grocery, snacks, and beverages. So I received back a total of $15.98 in Walgreens cash rewards, making my final price $7 for 14 items, or about 50 cents each. Now, for my second transaction, I am super excited about this one. I ended up picking up 6 cases of the 24 packs of the water. Again, they're on sale 2 for $7. So that put my subtotal right at $21 plus tax. So again, I went ahead and paid that out of pocket, but if you do it in store, you can use those register rewards to lower your out of pocket. So then I received back a total of $15.46, making my final price $5.54 for all 6 items, making those cases of water less than $1 each. Can you guys believe that? Now, I don't think we are going to be able to beat these deals at Walgreens this week. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, I do want to hear from you guys. Let me know what you all are thinking about all of this. What's your favorite deal? What do you plan on doing? How did it work out at the store for you? Let me know all the things down in the comment section below. And also, before you go, please do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because I haven't been doing Walgreens videos here in a few weeks on this YouTube channel. So they're really having a hard time getting out into the algorithm. So you guys hold the power. Leave a thumbs up and a smile in the comment section, and that will really help your girl out. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.